Alright, well, greetings and welcome to the eating of Menu 15 Spicy Penne Pasta Vegetarian MRE. We already eat, as you can see here. And of course, it's made by Ameriqual. And of course, you know, this is the first thing I ever bought from Craigslist. And of course, how I got into MREs. And of course, this is actually my first MRE menus. Now that I'm an ex-member of Civil Air Patrol, I chose to step down to help take care of my nieces as well as my friend Grit the dog. You know, and of course, long-term goals, I want a lab in my life, especially an English lab in my life. Yeah, that's why I, of course, left the program, is to help raise those organisms, like I said from before. And of course, my nieces are getting older. So anyway, in this video, this is actually my first MRE menu I have. So we're going to eat it today. Now, this was packed as early as either 10 or 11, so I'm going to open this. And this is a Ameriqual, so expect it to be double packed. Yep, and I was right about that. Yep, I was right. And right here, too. Yep, Ameriqual it is. Now, of course, I'm going at the slow pace on purpose because, you know, if for some reason event of apocalypse occurs, somebody's got to show and tell at the pace that somebody can learn. I'm even doing this now, especially because, you know, in the event of apocalypse, I don't think YouTube will be accessible. Depends on the type, really. So I'm making this video to show and tell you how an MRE even works. A demonstration on how fast I could eat it, that's another matter. So every time I do this, please feel free to pause the video, or if at all possible, zoom in, take a screenshot. And in here, it's the entree. Actually, this is my favorite part of the MRE, is the entree. For a lot of things. You could take it up with my personal taste buds as to why. All these pauses you see me do, that's of course for me to give you an opportunity to read over, etc. Pears, I don't know if I'm going to eat these or not. Ooh, a postcard. Whoever does these anymore. Okay. Chocolate banana nut muffin top. Just the accessory packet. Oh my golly, these do have coffee in them. So right now I'm gonna open this up. Ah! Wow, that's some. That was funny. Here, do not chew this gum. And of course, here's moist towelette. Probably not moist anymore. And of course, iodized salt, which I'll put in the heater. And of course, your toilet paper. And of course, there's coffee. All right. Ooh, it matches too. Creamer, non-dairy. Sugar. Wheat snack bread. Beverage powder. Here's the peanut butter. Pepper sauce. I'm actually going to put this in the MRE. I'm actually going to put it in the heater. There's the spoon. I'll use it in a few minutes. And of course, here's the beverage bag. I'm going to open this up. Let me put the salt in here. Here's what it looks like. Yeah. Oh, there's something on the heater too. You should look at. Yeah. I'll put this back in. Pepper sauce is going in. Whoa, that's sharp. Oh, I better get the water in there. Boy, this is fluid. Well, the pepper sauce is also fluid too. Okay, even though I overfilled it, I'm going to put this aside for right now. Let it warm up. Okay, I don't drink this. I'll open this now. pears. They're good for you, though. I'm gonna start with the wheat snack bread, okay? Yeah, the reason why I'm eating these MREs now is not only because I paid for them out of my pocket 10 years ago, but also because of the fascist management at La Vida LLena. You heard me correctly, you know, and I plead to the first for this matter. The new management at La Vida LLena and Pacific Retirement Services are fascists. That's why I'm doing this. I'll smear this on. I'm this type of person. Yeah. Now I'm gonna eat this. This is what it looks like. It's falling apart. So there it goes. And what they say when you're eating an MRE, eat the high-calorie items first. Oh, I like this postcard. I'll gut this and keep this. I'll eat these. I'm the type of person who cleans this plate off. This is really juicy and messy, so I'm gonna stand up here just to show you real quick. If I can get to it. Ah, it's leaking. It's gonna look a little nasty at first, but you gotta see what they look like. Yes, I'm a fruit eater too. You know, fruits like this went from unfavorite to okay. I'll eat them. Gosh. A mess. I'd stand by. I guess this MRE is almost done, so that'll be next on the list to eat. Okay, so right now, I'm gonna take the MRE out of the pouch and dump this. Well, here's the entree right here. Let's eat it. I'm sure. Let's eat. Here's what the spicy penne pasta looks like. Let's eat. God, I think this is the first MRE I've ever eaten. Now I do taste, hear that carefully. I do taste a little bit of meat in here, but that's okay. With me, that's okay. I'm finishing this off. Okay. At this point, that was the eating of menu 12, spicy penne pasta vegetarian MRE. And now at this point, I'm gonna pack it all away, and any leftover components here, I'm gonna save them. So right now, let me gut the postcard off, and of course, let's see what I can do about this postcard here. To a viewer from Labrador 5-4 Gaming, and of course Labrador 5-4 Main Productions. Otherwise, this time I'm sure of it. Well, before I go, here's one more thing I do. All used components, I put them in here for recycling. That's ridiculous. I'm sure you can see for yourself. So otherwise, thank you for watching. We'll see you all around.